Hello friends, today we will tell you about Sensible Finance cryptocurrency. It is listed on coinmarketcap.com and its price is $0.00367 and its volume is around $2,34,000 and its blockchain is Binance Coin. It is listed today. Then we will tell you about it. I will review in detail and we will tell you how to buy it and we will open its portfolio. So this portfolio has been opened and its rank is 3159 and its website is sensible.finance and its price is $0.00367. BTC is 2.52% down and ETH 2.53% down. Low price is $0.0003 and high price is $0.0004. After that we will come down. And this is its graph. This graph is continuously increasing and decreasing. After that we will enter $1 here. And in $1 we are getting around 27 million Sensible coin. After that we will come down and this is its description. We can read it. And its total supply is 25 trillion Sensi coin. After that we will open its website and click on sensible.finance. I have already opened this website and here it has a menu bar like overview, about Sensi, our aim, roadmap, tokenomics, PancakeSwap, CoinGecko. Sensible now available. We have launched Sensible Looking, our unique platform for earning guaranteed return just by looking your Sensi token. Sensi Looking and white paper, audit report. What is Sensi coin? Sensi is a Sleuth launched DeFi coin. Each transaction has a 4% fee, out of which 2% is burned, 1% is put into the liquidity and 1% goes to a wallet dedicated to donation and charity. Sensi currently has its own staking farms which have a smart contract and published for smart staking. This makes Sensi as a coin with a perfect use case. Digital currency, valuable asset and stocking reward. What is our aim? The Sensible project's main aim is to let user create easy, fast and automatically yield farm portfolio. This is done by smart contracts and take the user deposited funds and spread them across 10 to 15 yield farms. That yield is collected daily and sent the user wallet up to 3% daily yield. Diversified funds, great UI, listing price 1 Sensi $0.004144 USD. How will the fund be protected? The Sensible smart staking contract will audited by multiple sites before release. Since it's smart contract, nobody on it, nobody has access to the wallet. This means the wallet, whatever code is written, will be executed and cannot be changed. Our client, both corporates and private ones, will access the service. They need a single platform. Blockchain technology give the change, make finance grow faster and give better return. What stage are we at? 10th March 2021 Idea Foundations and 10th April 2021 Sensible Slate launch. Marketing initiated, Sensible form release, Sensi release, Sensi audit created, website redesigned, Sensi staking release, exchange listing, start staking and to be released. Sensi token structure 80% pre-launch. There was no pre-sale since the token we Slate launch. Supplies 250 trillion Sensi and price 1 Sensi $0.0002772 USD and token launch 10th April 2021. Accepted currency BNB, BUSD, USDT and stealth launch date 10th April 2021 and 10% staking reward and 10% unallocated. So now we will give you to tell what is the process of buying it. And we will download Trust Wallet app in our mobile phone and we will open Trust Wallet. After that we will create account on Trust Wallet. And if you do not know how to create an account on Trust Wallet, you can watch our video, link in the description. After that we will add money in the Trust Wallet and we will click on buy button and select blockchain. We will select BNB and here we can add money in our Trust Wallet and we can add minimum $50 in our Trust Wallet. After add money, go to home page and we will click on D app section. After that we will open PancakeSwap exchange, and PancakeSwap exchange has been opened. After that we will connect this exchange to Trust Wallet and click on connect and click on Trust Wallet, and this exchange connected successfully from Trust Wallet. After that we will select slippage, click on this icon, and here we can add slippage according to our token. After that we will click on select a currency, and here we can search coin using name or coin address. After that we will select a token. After that we will enter number of coin, here as many as we want to buy. After that click on swap and click on confirm swap and click on accept button, and finally click on confirm swap. So thanks for watching.